Alright, y'all. It is Sunday, July 5th. I am headed from Valentine, Nebraska. I'm going to leave town, head out to Smith Falls. We're going to go visit Nebraska's tallest waterfall. Let's go. Alright, so we do have to leave the cowboy trail. Figure with Johnny Law in front of me there, I better get on the trail. We'll be headed up to the next intersection, hanging a right, going east out of Valentine. Or I think they said it was like 12 miles. So as you leave Valentine, the country opens up beautifully. This is one of those journeys that the journey is almost as important as the end destination. It's just peaceful and open out here. I really love this. Anyways, let's get going on. Super Tubes. This is one of the outfitters that you'll want to give a call to get inner tubes to float down the river, canoes, kayaks, whatever your heart desires. So there's a few of them out here. We're going to make a couple different stops on the way to the falls, so hang on, I think you guys will enjoy these stops. Danger, do not approach bison. As long as they don't approach me. Usually they're not up here though, so I'm not worried about it. Yeah, I've made it to, they don't have the name of this place up here. It's a scenic overlook for the National Wildlife Refuge out here on Fort Niobrara. So you guys want to see what it looks like? Are you sure? I don't know. The view's kind of expansive. You're not going to be able to pick it up on this camera, but you see this zigzaggy road out here, and then it ends and comes over and connects to another road. That's where all the buffalo are right now. Let's see if I can find them on this here thing, so I can give you guys a look of them. See. Oh crap. I don't think you guys can see them at all through that. That's a bummer. I tried. You'll just have to take my word for it. They're out there. Lots of them. Alright, I'm going to sit here and show you this beautiful scenery. Got the Niobrara River down here. This whole, everything you see here is the wildlife refuge. It's huge. But I'm going to take a break here, and then we are going to head up to Smith Falls, largest waterfall in Nebraska. That didn't last long. This is all washboard for about 3.5 miles. Moo cow. This is the worst road I've ever been on in my life. And I've still got almost 2 miles left to go. Well, I have made it to Smith Falls State Park. Not sure how much I'm going to be able to film, because unfortunately we have dogs parking, and we also have partiers down there, and chances are they've got music playing. So we'll go over and see what's happening. Maybe even jump in that water for a bit, yeah? Alright, so I rode my bike down here, and you're not allowed to. As I was getting ready to ask somebody if I could leave it over there under the trees while I hike up the trail, the conservation officer starts walking towards me. I was like, I suppose I'm not allowed down here with this. He's like, no. I was like, so then I also suppose I can't leave it over here while I hike up to the falls. He made a compromise. As long as I walk it out of here when I'm done, I'm good. This walking area is all new from the last time I've been here. The last time I was here, there was a stairwell you had to take down the top of the falls. I mean, it was a cool walk, but it was an old rickety wooden stairwell. Alright, you guys want to see what this looks like? And this is not even up close yet. There it is. That is the tallest waterfall in Nebraska. And apparently this water isn't coming from the top of the hill. It's coming from the land up there. I'll have to show you the sign on the way back down. Oh my God, the temperature drop is amazing. Even when you hit the sun, you can feel the temperature drop. Wow. There's a bunch of people down there, so I'm not gonna film a bunch of kids, but oh my God. Whew, alright y'all, I had to come back to the scenic Overlook to catch a break on the way back to my sister's house, and I figured I'd fill you guys in on information about that Smith Falls area. It's got a campground as well, so they got primitive spots and electric and water spots, I believe. I'm not positive on the water. I know they got electric spots, so, but yeah, so check them out. I'll leave a link down below for you to find out more information about the camping and the other amenities that they have there. Well, I say here, but I'm not there anymore. Wow. Ooh-wee. All right. So, been out in the sun all day. It is a scorcher right now. Let's see, let's get this T-storm time and temp in. We got 3:49 p.m. It's only 87 degrees. Ain't that bad. I don't know why I'm worried. 89. Just jumped up 2 degrees. 89 degrees. Oh, this is beautiful though. Worth every bit of heat. I love it. So alright, so I need to let you guys know this is going to be the last video for a little bit because I'm out of video. I've been sitting on my butt far too long. I had those 4 days in Ainsworth I didn't do nothing, and I've had a week here now that I haven't really done nothing. This is the second time I've come out here. I wasn't satisfied with the video that I had, so I decided to come out again today and include Smith Falls with it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Maybe I'll do a gear video. I don't know. I'll do that unpacking video and putting the new tires on my trailer. Show you the issue that I had with the trailer. But for now, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna enjoy this greenery and make the rest of the 5 or 6 miles back home. Well, back to Crystal's house. Anywho, till the next time, enjoy that scenery. Keep on keeping on.